I'm doing one of those ways.
Yeah. Oh, is this a brand new unboxing?
Yeah. Yep.
1983.
Oh, this is the PAL player.
Gonna pause this and watch that for a second.
You can hear it screaming softly.
So no matter what.
From John DeLorean's personal
This thing
staff.
sat in a warehouse or a loft, they call it in the UK, since 1983. In fact, there's a story here I got from the seller. It's kind of interesting if anybody wants to read kind of history.
Oh, he wrote that.
Do.
Pull from RCA, or is it something we picked up later? Yeah, but not doing. Or I mean, is that from when you worked at RCA? And you picked it up later? Okay.
The air escapes, and we all die.
He's opening it.
We're not gonna be able to use it. It's 240 volt.
Hoping it's not rusty like that car they put underground for 50 years.
Oh, what's the bottom of that say?
What does it say? There's free video.
Don't get that until
Isn't that
turn
awful?
I wonder if they'll still send it to you.
That is awesome.
You can send that in and get a free disc. All right.
Yeah.
I wonder what my choices are. I can do the questionnaire first.
Hey, let me get a picture of the back of
I got
that.
a free lunch in order.
Oh, the other side.
Gotta give something.
That's awesome.
Well, okay, fair enough. Yeah.
No, that's not gonna work. That's video.
Is that the side tube?
Yeah.
Side one, I
It
think?
does.
Yeah, it does.
That is pretty cool.
Does it open?
Detachable,
Or is it just one piece of paper?
looks like it's one.
Yeah, that was my next question.
Wait a minute. The offer is no longer valid. It expired December 31st, 1984.
Those
Just
bastards.
missed it.
I'm sure
Man,
legally we
just
have a
missed
case here. You
Man,
can
Send it
you have a lawyer
anyways.
in the house.
Is the address Rockville Road? Send it to.
Looks like a UK address.
Oh, you can. And then it gets forwarded.
So how's the quitting smoking working out? 4 months.
So tape the
Very good.
tape.
I mean, I'm eating good. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're gonna eat. Turn it on. I'm 6.5 months on the day.
Yeah, whatever that is.
Oh, he quit 100%.
Is that?
I just got it.
That's the RF cable.
But it's UK alright.
Yeah.
I was out.
Got some batteries here.
I wonder if they're still good.
They may.
Battery tester.
Oh wow.
The J400, they were still good.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, except under load.
Oh.
I
Yeah.
got them on my.
Oh no, vape never. But I am gonna drop my nicotine down.
And this tested
I'm
like
at
200
already
milliamps or something on the road. Those things
I'm at a 3. I started at a 6 milligram. I worked my way down to 3. I'm eventually going down.
Right.
So corroded to be done.
Surprised they are.
I mean, it's.
Yeah, they're
It was never the nicotine. It was
Where are they from?
I have
Hitachi.
Oh, really? I suppose
what
Hitachi.
you're doing is.
They got their own battery factory.
I
Huh?
tell people, oh, baby.
And I'm pretty discriminating.
This one here is clean enough.
There's probably like.
Yeah, the same way.
So you're telling me general is like
Japan to the US to get boxed up, and then to the UK, and then back to the US, and then open.
Well, it's very different.
Right. If you open 30 years later, or 40 years
I'll probably leave these as souvenirs.
Quite the journey.
Okay, there we go. I was concerned about the dent in the side of the box. I was wondering if
I mean,
Oh,
that
but there's usually.
there's nothing but air there. So.
Yeah, so you were good.
dirt that's on there doesn't
But
mean
it's also such a tiny little thing.
exactly.
It's trash. It's trash.
Ruined now.
Okay, here we go.
Drum roll.
You want a knife for that?
Yeah.
Bullet rip.
Yeah. Wow.
So are these, is this the way that...
Do you want to lift it? I'll take the box.
The diamond is mounted in here?
It's actually.
That is gorgeous.
Definitely the cleanest one I've ever seen.
Okay. Yeah.
What about the one from last year?
No, I'm talking PAL players.
Oh, PAL
Screw's
player.
got to come out of there, right?
Yes.
Screw's got to come out.
That's the shipping screw.
Should we do that now?
Yeah, I've never seen the metal plate like that.
Is it the clear one, or it's got no writing on it?
Yeah, there's no writing on
It's
it.
just blank.
Yeah.
That's a later version. And it's stamped instead of machined, right?
Looks like it.
Which probably should be saved if you ever have to ship it somewhere, right?
Yep.
Put it back in for the ride home.
Right.
Yep, definitely.
Fair enough. Right.
Mhm.
You gotta clean it.
It just locks the stylus arm.
Probably that doesn't snap.
You know what? I would
How's
turn
it come
on
out?
Off real fast. Yep, just to make sure.
How's what come out?
The metal plate.
This thing
Just
here
flips
must,
up.
that must come out of there. That,
Oh,
Yeah,
I see.
that's
Yeah,
the
that plastic
stylus
comes out.
protector.
Oh, cool.
oh, now
Yeah.
it snaps.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, so the stylus is already still in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Those protectors are hard to find. They never come in Hitachi players. I've seen like 2 the entire
This here?
time. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
They'd get tossed, I'm sure, right?
I think I have one somewhere.
I have one for.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay. 90.
How?
91.
That works.
It will work.
Into that.
Yeah.
Okay, want to grab the box?
So as long as you get a certain place, it'll return to its home position.
What is this light?
That's that's last.
That's the other thing
generation.
is they were so light. So pretty.
It's with the power cord there.
Oh.
It's British. British ones you always added your own end on
Really?
because there were different depending on the age of your
I
house.
was
There was a
expecting
different.
that big,
You could add the big plug or the other one. There were 2 different ones.
I got one.
Even if you didn't break it.
well, that's something I didn't plan for.
It's 240 volt.
I don't have, I got the adapter, but I don't have the plug.
Oh, yeah, but
It wouldn't work properly. If this is not quartz controlled, it's not going to work properly anyway because it's 60 hertz here.
Right, he's got the adapter though.
Yeah, but
He's got the power transformer and everything.
that doesn't change it from 50 to 60 hertz. If this is not a quartz drive one,
I have one.
it's going to run at the wrong speed.
I have one of those at home that works perfectly.
Did somebody
No,
cut
he
that
just
up?
gave,
No.
I just gave that to you.
Oh,
if you
that's
want
not
it.
gonna work.
Put it on there.
Did that come with the PAL one? Or is it just bare?
You know, I don't see a PAL one. It just looks like it's bare.
Yeah, that makes sense though, because literally every PAL player I've had different connections.
Yeah.
It was like someone, like I was like, why is everyone putting their own thing on this? Yep.
Oh, and the remote.
Now you have to
And thankfully the batteries weren't in it.
I would think Amazon would get them or something like that.
Pigtail.
I was gonna ask if this is along with the remote.
Yeah, they didn't have
Ooh, brown. Hello.
All we gotta do is find a.
You can still test if that works.
Going back to the yeah, we all got cameras here. You can aim it at the camera.
Oh,
Put batteries in and fix it at a camera. Infrared light shows up.
Yeah, unless you've got an iPhone, they have a filter in the software to filter out IR because well, it clouds the pictures.
There's no way I can put
It'll cloud a picture.
on that.
yeah.
I mean, I'm looking at this thing here.
Because they got
I've
a
used one
UK or
exactly like that.
Shuko. Let me see
Order
that.
the right plug.
You can get a
I've used
yeah, you
one.
can do a
It
Shuko
works.
plug. So the Shuko ends you can get. That's the other European one.
That isn't broken.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called Shuko. That's what the rest of Europe uses.
I figured it snapped off.
Yeah.
That is pretty.
Well, I think we're about as far as we can go then.
Yeah, but it is very pretty.
Bell.
Intermittently.
Yeah, we're
It's amazing seeing stuff that isn't all faded.
I know.
Right?
Box for 36 years.
Oh, my bad.
And I need to go pee.
Hitachi made a pretty looking player, I'll have
It is a nice looking player.
Yeah.
That is really gorgeous, though. It's so pretty.
He's on
And fully made in
I like the
Japan.
colors on that. Very nice.
I guess they